How to shut off iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time for few seconds, and then swipe this icon to right side for shut off your iPhone. And the another way to shut off your iPhone is open settings and then click on general and scroll down in last and you see the option shutdown. Simply click on shutdown and then swipe this icon to right side for shut down your iPhone. And the third way to shut down your iPhone, then scroll down and click on Siri, and here you can check your Siri will be turned on, and then simply say hey Siri shut down, and here you can shut down your iPhone. Simply click on power off, your iPhone will be shut down. So this is the way to shut off your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.